So let's draw this out just like a daily, right? Can you see this right here? Even though
Yeah.
you got the pop here, this is still a downtrend. See it? So
Mm.
so if this was us trading this stock today, would you be more comfortable in a call here, or would you have wanted to wait till it was here? See the difference?
Okay.
So if you
Yeah.
trade this day chart just like you would, like if we were trading right now, I wouldn't touch an Apple call until a full cup is formed and broke, right? Just like if this was today and we were trading Apple. You're more dangerous, even though you're running back up here. It's more dangerous because if we look at this, the room for you to move is here to here to the upside, but look how far it is to the downside. See it?
Okay. Big
Immense
difference.
difference, right?
Right.
So flip the script and make this in your head as if you were trading it today before you set yourself up for success. The other thing you wanted to look at too is see how your EWO is fading. See
Yeah.
here? So this is starting to come down. Buyers are leaving. See it?
Right.
So on the long term, we're watching this right here. You can see all of this is starting to go downhill.